happy Vlogmas. And then this is my winter jacket from Tajay. That's the boot. Yeah. Okay. So come with me. We're going to Walmart today. Salvation Army. Please donate. The Salvation Army. So we're going to Walmart now. See, different colors. You have the red one and the yellow one. It's a yellow one. You can sell that. This is for the face. This is for dishes. Apropos dishes, let's go get dish washing soap. My favorite popcorn. Not today. For pound, I guess. Turkey. Because look. Together thingy. Yeah. Bleach. Almost $30, and you guys will not believe, almost $30. Look. Okay, you'll not believe the things I bought from Walmart. It's not a lot. So I actually came to Walmart to pick it up, and then I was informed that it has been delivered. It was quite stressful. I've come here now twice for the same thing. And forth, but I think finally they sent it to my house, because I got this from my box before I came, but I didn't check what was in it because I wanted to unbox it in front of you guys. So this must be the belt I ordered like a month ago. Okay, the sun is shining. It's a beautiful day today in the land of the living. This is brown. Oh, this is beautiful. What I like about this is it's elastic. I don't know if you guys can see me. This is it. Remember I tried the other belt the other day and it was really not working. This is elastic, and it has at the back Velcro. It's about $10, I think. Yeah. I got a Bleach. Actually bought the Walmart brand. If you see this sign that they wrote great value, you know it's the brand of the Walmart or whatever store you go to. That is, you know it's the brand. So it's supposed to be cheaper than the regular Clorox. I bought water because I'm going to use it for something very soon. Drinking water, this was 98 cents. Paper towel, this was about $4 for 2 of them. Very expensive, very expensive. Ridiculous. And this is even Walmart brand. Look, this one, you can see it's great. Walmart brand. It's ridiculous, isn't it? And then I bought my favorite thing I always use to scrub. I use this for pots, for cleaning pots, sink, bath. I use it for almost every place in the house, especially for Tupperwares that are like plastic and it has oil in it, or spaghetti sauce or palm oil. You put this, put a little soap, scrub it, the thing will be white as if it's brand new. So this I always buy it every time I come, just this brand. We used to call it Vim when we were little. Vim. I call it Vim. I still call it Vim. Okay. I showed you guys this one. I got baking soda. I use this for my face because this is more crunchy. This scrubs my face, armpit. Yeah, use this for your armpit. I will make a video one day about how you can the best way to clean your armpit and you always smell good. Use that. And brushing once in a while, like once a week, not a lot, so that it doesn't eat up your enamel. Once a week, put it with the toothpaste for teeth brushing. This one is so soft. It's not as okay. They are both of them. Both of this baking soda. This is Arm & Hammer. This is the trademark one, and this is the Walmart one. You see the great value? That shows that it's from Walmart. So this one is not as strong as this. I'm honest with you. So this is for like doing dishes, cleaning, all those. I use this. Yeah. Then you mix this with white vinegar to scrub the stove, back of the tutorial is ahead. Vlogmas, you guys will see. I will show you guys all these secrets. Secrets, housewife secrets that you guys never knew about. Okay, I bought peas. I normally use these peas to extend the rice so that it's not too starchy. So when I'm cooking rice, when it's almost cooked, I just pour the peas in it, steam it together with rice. First of all, it makes the rice look beautiful. And secondly, you add a way to add vegetable to your rice so that it's not too starchy. Okay, so another favorite thing of mine that I want to show you guys, hello, is ARIEL. Yeah, ARIEL soap. That's another favorite of mine. This is for laundry, washing my every laundry, especially underwears, face towel, because it's so foamy and it softens the water. So if you put a little bit, goes a long way. Yeah, this costs about $5, $4 much downy. I've never seen any other dishwash soap that does better job than this. I would say this is the best dishwash soap ever. So I always buy it. Always buy it whenever I come here. Shower caps. Okay, let me show you guys one of them. These are 15 shower caps to put on the head when you want to take a shower or something. Or if the rain is falling. 15 shower caps. And that was 98 cents for 15 of them. Shaving sticks to shave certain places. And then I got this. I always get this Wet and Wild, like 99 cents. So oh, this one is very pigmented. Okay, now okay, you see it? Okay, let me show you. Yeah, very pigmented. Eyebrow, fast and easy to. Secret for the eyebrow to stay longer. If you don't have money to buy eyebrow gel, use your lash glue, the one that is no more gluing, no more working, the clear one. Use that and put on top of it, and your brow will stay. Waiting. Oh, ladybug. Hey, yeah. Hi, ladybug. Hi, baby. That's ladybug. I thought it was a bee. I was like, oh, please, please. This is the main reason why I stopped here, and I'm gonna do it here. I don't know. Oh my God, I know people are gonna look at me. I know I'm gonna be stared at. Guys, I'm doing it. This is all for Vlogmas. So at this point, please, you see what I'm going through. I'm in front of Walmart like a crazy person. Yeah, you see what I'm putting myself through to show you guys. Because no subscribe, no waiting they happen. Help auntie, help sister. You know, it's free. It doesn't cost you a penny. In short, you will gain from this because I'm going to. Hey, I have a lot of tips how to do secrets. I'm going to expose most of my self-care secrets. I will expose it for all of you. So it's time now to subscribe. I'm just asking you to have pity. I pity more. Hey, somebody removed my 50 cents. Hey, here was 50 cents off. Oh, somebody took it. Hey, people are wicked. Somebody took it off. That's not fair. So this cost about $4 something. This is herbs. This is a natural hair dye. Natural. Oriental. I always use Oriental black. This is my color. To dye my gray. Yeah, I always use Oriental. Can you see it, guys? Focus. Crochets, I don't know what I did. I've lost most of them. So I got myself a new crochet today. This was also about 98 cents. Yeah, I just got this random color. This crochet, this medium size. Not. Let me get my work, my work stuff.